Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. I think you have realized it already. If you're long pressing the power button, you wake up Bixby with. But how to power off the phone? For that we will need next to the power button, the volume down button. And if you long press these both buttons for the same time, you will have finally the power off menu. And if you confirm you're on power off and again on power off, then the phone will shut down. There's a second way to power off the phone, so for that just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you will have also here the power symbol, so just tap it, and then you will have as well the power menu. Just tap on power off and confirm again on power off, and the phone will turn off as well. But you can also set up the power button or the side button as a real power button. So let me show you how this works. Okay, for that just scroll down here. Then go to the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And here you will have the point Side Key. And here you can select what should happen if you press and hold the side key. Actually, we wake up Bixby with, but if you tap here on Power Off menu, then you have a real power button. So if you long press now the power button, you want the Power Off menu. Just confirm again, as I said, and then the phone will shut down. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some tips and tricks and so on. And you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.